Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to turn off tagging on Facebook so no one can tag you without your permission. It is super easy. Watch till the end and do not forget to like, subscribe and share for more Facebook tips. First of all, you open the Facebook app and then here you click the side three line option. Then here you click the settings and privacy option. Settings and privacy. Here you can see the profile and tagging option, so click on it. Here you can see the tagging and implied mentions, so click the who can see post you are tagged in on your profile, so click on this option here. Here you select the only me option, then click the save option. Then here you can see the second option when you are tagged in a post, so click on it. Then here you click the only me option, then click the save option. Here you can see the reviewing option, so on this option. So this is the method. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more Facebook privacy and security tips.